Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Realme Buds Air 2. These are brand new smart earbuds from the Realme company, and in today's video we will show you how these works, what option do they have so they can function better, and what new features they have that we didn't see before or they have new in the Realme company. So let's go ahead, try them out and see how they sound. The new Realme Buds Air 2 has active noise cancelling, 24 hours of playtime, dual mic for better calls, and also they serve for noise cancelling, smart wear detection, and other features that we will see. You can see some of the features here in the back of the package. These earbuds also need only 10 minutes of charge for 120 minutes of playtime, which is very incredible if you are in a hurry. As you can see in the package, immediately you have your buds. Here we have the warranty card and the user manual. At the sides we can see the sign of the charger. We have here a very small Type-C charger, which I like very much. It looks pretty good, very good colors and materials. And also down below we have some more earpieces so we can change them. In the Realme Buds Air 2 we have hi-fi bass booster, which makes these earbuds sound very good. Let's take off the plastics and take out the earbuds themselves. You can see how well they look. The plastic on the Realme Buds Air 2 honestly looks a little bit cheap, but the sound of them is really good. The quality of the buds itself, it can be better I think from the Realme company, but either way they work pretty good, which I always look for. Here in the pair new device in the Bluetooth, as you can see immediately we have the Realme Buds Air 2, press them and press pair, and they immediately connect with the phone. Let's go straight to the YouTube and see what we can listen and maybe talk about if they are good or not. The sound in the Realme Buds Air 2 is very good. This is one of the option of this earbuds. Double click to play and pause, also triple tap to play the next song, press and hold for the Google Assistant. This is in the right side. In the left side, double tap again for play and pause, also triple tap to play the previous song. Realme has also an app that is called Realme Link. We can connect the earbuds to the app immediately. Just open them up and we have the button in the right side. Press and hold to connect them. You can see a white dot powering on, and that let us know that these earbuds are now on. We go to the scan and immediately we will find the Realme Buds Air 2. Press pair, and now we unlock a lot of more options. What option you ask? We will see right now, starting from the percentage of battery in each earbuds, also the case itself. We also got an update immediately, which we will do later because we don't have anything important in it. Here you can see at the top the percentage of battery, and we have immediately noise cancelling. We have normal, transparency, or we can turn on the noise cancelling. Which option do you want to allow so you can change with earbuds? Also we have sound effect, bass boost, dynamic, and we have the bright option. Also we have a couple of things that we can change. We can change these with earbuds just to press and hold. And also we have mode. You can see the gaming mode which we can allow, and this is one of the best option in these earbuds. The gaming mode is one of the options that every earbuds miss. We have at the others in-ear detector, auto answer, and we can customize the buttons. You can see left earbuds action. We have double tap, triple tap, and touch and hold what to do with. So with left earbud we have play or pause. With double tap we can change that, or we can even turn it off. Triple tap we saw in the beginning that we have next track, and touch and hold we have turned off right now, but we can do something with it. and we can customize it. Same with the right one. Let's put it for the voice assist. Add the right one we have here to allow the gaming mode to activate it, and with left and right we have that option. So these are the options that we have. Here is the firmware update that we got in the beginning, where you can update it here, and this is all that we can do in the app. In the iOS we have the same thing. We have to go to the Bluetooth all the way down to the new devices, and here immediately shows the Realme Buds Air 2, which is incredible, and immediately it connects. Now we can go ahead again and listen to the sound that they have. The sound of the Realme Buds Air 2 is very clear, the bass, as we mentioned in the beginning, is very good, and the songs have a very good quality through these earbuds. But as I mentioned before, in my hand they feel a little bit cheap. The case is heavy enough, it feels solid, which makes these earbuds worth to buy. And again, the sound is very good, so these earbuds, for my opinion, are worth to buy. They work pretty good, the touch sensitivity is on point, very easy to press them when you are wearing, and also they have smart wear detection. Again, they have a pretty good options to work with. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. Comment down below if you have Realme products or Realme Buds Air 2 in this case, and let me know what do you think about them.